Today is a brand new day, and we're going to get busy taking down Christmas. Taking down is a lot easier than putting up, it seems like, so. Santa! Break time. Coffee. 2 months.
Yeah, I've been waiting 2 months for it to come down.
No, it's only been up 2 months.
I know, and I've been waiting 2 months for it to come down.
That's not nice. It's snowing in Alabama. All right, good morning, everybody, on this Monday morning, January the 6th. Now, today is a busy day. I kept all of my Christmas decorations up, just trying to get as much enjoyment out of Christmas this year as I could possibly get. Today is a brand new day, and we're going to get busy taking down Christmas. I don't know how much I'll even get done today because I do have other stuff that's, going to have my attention as well today. I have already started unloading the dishwasher. Made my coffee, just now started drinking my coffee. Yeah, I still have my tree up still too on this day, but we're going to get it down. So that's what I will be focusing on this week some. And of course, you're coming along with me on that tearing down Christmas, as bad as I hate to do it, because it brings in such a cozy feeling that it just feels empty and bare and sparse, and I don't know. That cozy feeling kind of goes away in January, doesn't it? But anyway, I got to get some wood put in the heater, and because Marty's not here, so I'm gonna grab some wood. It is cold outside, so that takes care of that because Marty's still not home. He's still out and about with his mom, running errands for her, and so that's one less thing he'll have to worry about when he gets home. And it'll still be good and warm in here because it was needing just a little bit of wood. I only had to put 2 sticks in it, so that's done. Look what Marty did. It's cold, and he lit my fireplace. I love it. Okay, so I've got more boxes, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking down the tree first, putting everything up in our boxes in the bedroom. I would like to get the bedroom, both bathrooms, and possibly the living room done today. So let's get to it. Oh, I'm gonna miss the lights. Okay, I'm going to start taking down this area over here. Taking down is a lot easier than putting up, it seems like, so. And I'll have to find I've got another one that goes up there for just everyday decor. I don't know where all my stuff's at. I can't find it. And it says, always kiss me goodnight. And I love that. I love that for the bedroom. I've had this for years and years. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, let's clean these areas, so that we're ready to put decor back out. Show you a picture of Marty and me on our wedding day. I'm not sure if you can see us. There's a glare on the picture. But that's us. Almost 40, this year, 2025, is 40 years. June of 2025, we will be married 40 years. But that's us. A long time ago. An 18-year-old and a 20-year-old. A long time ago. But honestly, it's kind of nice to have it not just filled up. But it won't last long with me because I'm a maximalist and not a minimalist, if you haven't figured that out about me. So let's look over in this direction here. You can see that everything's down and on the bed now. And let me show you the state of the hallway. There's boxes. Boxes as you come on in here. There's plants that go in the kitchen or in the dining area. There's the wreaths that hang up over there. I've just laid all my pillows over here. I mean, you can't even get to my couch right now. So I've got to get started in here. These are all, I put all my pillows together. So I'm going to leave those so that I can pack those back together and then get started in here. So now let's get started in the living room. I've got all of this to do. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, I've been outside wearing my jacket, so I've just left it hanging there. But all of this is coming down. All of this is coming down. So let's get busy.
Do what?
Said you're funny.
I know, I try to be.
Okay, I think I've got all of the ornaments off. Now for all of the mesh and the lights. Okay, I'm ready for my big box now. Okay, so let's take all this down, and I don't have my box down here yet. I'm gonna have to wait till Marty gets back from hunting, but he'll get that box, and I'm just gonna lay most of it over here in the Chase Lounge chair. So let's get busy.
We stand behind our products with life cycle insurance, built-in service and support.
Okay. So up for a great visit. We'll wrap it up here. We have no 3340 news that is important. For everything.
Okay, I've got that all taken down. I might get this done tonight. Here is something I'll always treasure. My mom made these for me years ago. Years ago. And I use them every Christmas. These doilies. They're beautiful. Beautiful doilies. And they're a treasure to me. Because I have no mama on earth anymore. So I'm so thankful that I have these. And I'll think about her every time I get them out at Christmas to use them.
As a fellow blogger myself, I've previously experimented
Santa!
with Mark 1, and
I think I've got everything pretty much except from over the door and my Santa. See my Santa picture right there. And I need some boxes brought down. And then I'm done in here. I'm done. Yay. So let's go get some boxes. Okay, so I have most all of the living room done. We're gonna call it a night and we'll catch back up with you in the morning where we probably start on the kitchen and get that knocked out. So we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday, January the 8th. And I've already gotten up this morning and had to run to town. I didn't jump on here or anything earlier. I had to run and meet the lady that's drying out my mom's funeral flowers that I kept. When Dad died, we had her to make us, I had her to make me some earrings and a necklace and a little keepsake chain thing to hang in my car and a key ring that has the flowers in it. So I'm doing the same thing with Mama's funeral flowers. And I had kept them in the refrigerator, and while I got earlier this morning when I was making a list of things that we needed from the grocery store, I thought, oh no, I forgot about the flowers. So she said it wasn't too late that I could meet her today and let her start the drying process so we could get that started. But the reason I was even in the refrigerator this morning kind of looking through to see what we needed, we've got a winter storm headed to the south. And it's going to be here on Friday. Today's Wednesday, it's going to be here on Friday, and I didn't want to wait till the last minute to try to get to the grocery store because we live 30 minutes out from the grocery store. So I thought, well, I'll just do the grocery store today and get that over with. And I thought, and in the morning time, so I don't want to wait till people's getting out of work this afternoon and trying to get over there to get, because you know everything gets gone. Well, not everything. Milk and bread will get gone. So I'm home now, and I'm ready to get started on finishing taking down Christmas. I did get up and wash the blankets, the Christmas blankets this morning, and then run a load of dishes while I was gone, and I've made the bed up. But that's all I've done other than go to town. So the kitchen's got to be next, and let's go ahead and get that knocked out. So let's get in there and get to work. So the first thing I'm going to do is start on the table. So that's what I'm going to do first, is I'm going to take and get everything that goes in this box that I have out already in, because the last thing I want to put in is going to be the little wreaths on all of my windows. No, not putting the window wreaths in. I'm putting the wreaths on my doors. See, all of the wreaths on my doors will go in this box that I have out now. So let's get started on the table. And I keep notes like first set of cabinet wreaths and second set, and how I take them off, because I use the same wreaths on the same doors, or I try to. So I'm gonna keep that out, and that'll go on top. My Christmas plates will be going up. Okay, I'm missing one. So let me see if I can find that. It may be in the dishwasher.
All firefighters, professional and volunteers. New details this afternoon in the case against Luigi Mangione, the man accused of shooting and killing United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson last month. We now know his next federal court costs with no interest and no payments, roughly $62 for the staff he loves. Oh, freezing today. There's snow everywhere. About an hour. Week overnight. Temperatures will...
With us being able to remove the paint, that will save on the scrap. We receive the parts in-house, we inspect them, and
I think that's got it. Okay, I'm hitting all my cups up now. And I'm double wrapping them so that they don't get broken. And I put them in with my blankets. Okay, I think that's all. I've got my wreath I've got to do, and then then I'm gonna start on the tree and everything. Marty's out here helping me take down all the Christmas outside. He's already got all the stuff over the door down. I still gotta get my rugs up, but he's taking down that on the banister and gonna take down all of the wreaths on the windows. So we appreciate your help.
On Friday, our storm expands, and we have moderate impacts expected across Tennessee, with some major impacts expected up here in northern Alabama, between Huntsville over to just north and west of Atlanta, Georgia, especially around Chattanooga. We do expect there to be some major impacts, according to the wind.
get done is next week. We may not be here.
That's how it
Oh,
goes,
wait.
what this business is.
Where we
Anyway,
going?
Think of the beach.
station.
Oh, really?
So,
Okay.
Break time. Coffee. Alright, I'm gonna start on this next tree. Hopefully I'll have all this done by the time you get home.
I hope so. Been a long time coming.
2 months.
Yeah, I've been waiting 2 months for it to come down.
No, it's only been up 2 months.
I know, but I've been waiting 2 months for it to come down.
That's not nice. Okay, now I'm going to take down all of the garland along the rails, and I'll just put it in this box as well. I think I'll go ahead and take this off before I forget it. Marty's little deer snowman. I've got this other side to do, and then I'll do the one up the stairs, and if I have room, I'm going to do the one above the TV. Marty's going to be so excited to come home and have all this gone, and especially the garland that I left above the entertainment center by his TV, because he's had trouble changing the channel because of all the garland being in front of the TV. But anyway, he'll be excited that it's all gone, so... He's going to be so proud it's down.
And we've got several on the shelf.
This is how I'm ending my evening on this Wednesday afternoon, waiting for the cold weather and the snow to get here on Friday. Just thought I would sit down in front of the fireplace and enjoy the rest of the evening. Can't have the coziness of the tree, but I can have the coziness of the fireplace. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night, everybody. Stay warm. I'm going to stay warm and stay cozy. Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday. Now it's the day before the winter storm, which we're under a winter storm warning now. So we're expected to get quite a bit of snow here in Alabama. I cannot even believe it, and I guess we'll see tomorrow, but it is supposed to be here in the morning, starting early, I think. So let's get on with our day and get a lot of stuff started and hopefully accomplished. So let's get busy. Okay, basically what I'm going to focus on in the kitchen is the cleaning of the surfaces. As you can see, all the decor is pretty much gone. I'll have to add that back in, but I want to clean all my countertops before I add any decor in. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning those really well right now, so that when I bring that decor back in, I can go ahead and just set it out and then put away my boxes. So that's what I'm going to do right now. that's got that done. And I'm not doing anything with the floors just yet. That's going to be the last thing I do, because I will be, you know, still dusting and cleaning throughout the house. So floors I always leave for last. I take and I try to work from the top down and leaving floors for the very last. That once you see me cleaning floors, you know I'm just about done. That's just the way I've always done it. It just makes sense to me. So, and two, I've still got to clean the table off really good, and I'd like to clean around the light fixture up there, but once I get all that done, then I'll do the floors. It's funny, you can take down Christmas, think you have everything, you know, pretty much all the glitter gone. No, I'm still seeing glitter, and the vacuum cleaner's not getting it all up, so. I didn't even know I had glitter out here in Marty's area. So that's basically all I did in the house today. That's basically it. I will pick back up tomorrow. I've got to finish getting some supper made. We're taking supper down at Meemaw's. We've got a big snow coming tomorrow, or we're supposed to have. So we're all meeting down at Meemaw's in the basement, and we're gonna eat together because we may be stuck in our houses for a few days. We don't know. So I've got to finish making some cornbread and some tea, and I'm making some Brunswick stew. Hope, is that stew good? It is good, ain't it? Boys, are y'all gonna try that Brunswick stew?
Yeah.
Y'all gonna try that stew? They got them some new toys over here. That is a monster truck school bus, right?
Yeah.
A monster truck school bus. And watch what it does. You have to get it out of that tray.
Nina.
Oh, there it goes! Yay!
And I have all these.
I know. You racked up, didn't you?
Recognize these two from Lightning McQueen.
Oh, yeah. That is super cool, isn't it? What is that one?
It's an old one. I didn't get it. That's an old one.
Yeah. Meemaw made cookies. Yum, yum. Emily? Oh, and a cake. Look at that cake. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Vita, that looks good.
Well, thank you.
Are you out?
It's pretty too.
Make some of the stew.
Yeah, hey,
love
I went
this.
ahead and ate just a little at home, and it was real good.
I love
Did you
this.
get you some cornbread to put down inside of it? It's good with cornbread too. Ain't that good? Yes.
Yeah, I still have like maybe.
I wish them boys would try it, don't you? Just give it a try.
Hope it is. Is it good, Hope?
Maybe a little bit less.
Is it good?
It's real good.
I love this. This is my favorite seed.
It's not as good. I mean, that's better than the canned one that we opened up, ain't it, Vita? A whole lot better. Yeah.
But honestly, I feel bad for
He just dropped them off.
Hey,
like that's gonna coach.
our stuff is not as good as things you got to put a little work into.
And this actually is so easy. It's so easy. And it makes so much. You seen what a pot it made?
Yeah.
It makes a lot.
Well, we got a lot of people to eat.
Yep.
Remember
Taking what they could.
what? Remember, Bob? I don't think I gave him that.
Hey, Mimi.
No, Aunt Helen did. Aunt Helen. A long time ago.
It's got a spoiler
Clayton,
on
are
it
you eating that cake?
Oh, is it?
Just not trying it.
just now.
Yeah, these sides was like
Is that good?
No, he's
I
got
think he likes it.
looks like a boogie board, but
that's
it's
two meals.
Look at him go. He is eating on that cake.
Oh my goodness.
I think he approves me, Mom.
I think he likes it.
Look what Drew found him some dessert.
The last one.
Oh my goodness.
oh, that's when it comes in.
Well, Marty, do you want to break the news to him, or should I? Well, since we got everybody down here.
I'm not gonna tell them.
What was your idea? This was all your idea?
Tell your doctor if you have
How'd you figure
I hope
that?
it's good news.
Because you're the one that said it. That's how I know.
Gotta be done.
I know.
Go ahead and run it for us. That's what
Oh, it's good for you, Mom.
it is.
Time to take down the Christmas tree.
That's what Ben said.
Time to take down the Christmas tree. Daddy said we can get them all down here and they can help us.
I've even got some better news.
What?
Amanda knows.
Oh, yeah.
I was hoping y'all was about to write us a check or something.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Emily was helping you.
Emily was hoping for money, Marty.
I'm like, okay, I'm ready.
I thought we was having a little bit
Hello,
Better lay down.
What's your name, little boy?
Colton.
How old are you, Colton?
Yeah, did you hear about
How old is that?
Six.
6?
Yeah.
What grade are you in at
I got so
school?
tickled.
Kindergarten.
Do you like school?
Yeah.
You like your teacher? I bet you do.
I was like, you know what? There's
It's snowing in Alabama on this Friday morning. It is really coming down now. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous out here. Y'all, this is Alabama. This is not up north anywhere. This is Alabama. We don't get to see this, very often, so it's pretty exciting. It's just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Good Friday morning. I had to stop and think, what is today? Today is Friday and the snow is here, everybody. We woke up to snowing hard this morning and now it's a few hours later. We've just kind of been lounging around this morning doing really nothing, and that's pretty nice, but we've got several inches and I don't even know how many inches. Marty's out. He's gone out in it. It's just too cold out there for me, but I think we have several inches. I just don't know how many. I'll flip you around here and let you see. And it's still coming down hard. Like it's snowing. And there's several inches, y'all. There's my birdhouse and my Alabama A. This is my porch. There's like a lot of snow. There comes Marty on the side by side. If I can zoom you in. There he comes, which the side by side's making it good down the road, but you can see the tracks in the road. But y'all, it is cold in northeast Alabama this morning. That wind is blowing you. You can see my flag just flying there and see the tracks in the road. People's been going up and down the road, but just going very, very slowly. But I'm gonna shut this door back because it is cold. It is so cold outside. Okay, I'm fixing to get on my coat. We're gonna go riding in the side by side. I wanted to get out and look at it before, I don't know how long it's gonna last. So it's out there and I think it's even sleeting now. So the snow it's snowing maybe and it's a sleet and a snow maybe, I don't know, but I could hear it on the windows. But I want to get out there and see what it all looks like and video it for y'all, showing you what has happened here in Alabama today. So let's go. Let's get, we got to get bundled up first, like bundled up.
This is your ride. Where do you want to go?
We don't have windshield wipers.
No, but I can open it.
No, no. It's too cold to open.
Where do you want to go?
We can go out to the highway, I guess, see what it's like. snowman before it goes away. I've got all the stuff that decorate with on a snowman. They still have their reindeer out in their yard. And their snowman, look. That's cute. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see what our little pond looks like up here. Oh, look, there's a big old bird there. And this is our main road where they salted it the other day. We're on the main road. And that's going down the mountain right there. So he's decided to go down the mountain. Looks like there's tracks already though. People's been up it or down it. Well, both, because there's tracks on both sides. And that is so pretty. Okay, it is sleeting. Here's our house now. Isn't it pretty? Marty let me out and he drove on up just a minute ago. But isn't it so pretty? But I'm getting a little wet out here now, so I'm fixing to head back in the house. I was just going to show you, and this is the road that I'm on here. Oh, it's getting cold out here, but it sure is pretty. So let's get back in the house and warm back up. I'm freezing. Yes, I still have trees up here in my office, workout room, whatever room you want to call it room. This is where I sit and do my editing. The treadmill is over here. I'll, work out in here. I have a recliner right here and a TV. And I have crafts and things that I do. I have a whole shelving unit back here. I scrapbooked for a long time, and I've got all my scrapbooks and materials and things like that. And I just love to be able to have a room to go to that's mine, dedicated to what I want to do a little bit, and this is it. But yes, I'm still sitting here with my Christmas tree up on this. What is today? Saturday. Saturday morning. But I wanted to hop on here and let you know that I just booked us reservations at a condo on the beach for Monday. We are going to the beach.
Do you have a Walt Disney World moment?
We're just going to go to the beach and we're going to hang out for
This is my daughter Leia, and I have a son
through Thursday, and we're just going to enjoy ourselves. Y'all, we're just going to go down there and enjoy ourselves and not have any worries whatsoever for right now. We're just gonna, I love my tree. I love my tree. I do dread taking it down, but that'll happen when I get back. It won't happen before I go, but right now I'm up here working on a video that'll go out on Tuesday. So I've got to get that done, and possibly Fridays, hopefully. Fridays, I think, it's just going to be where I kind of go through the house and show you and decorate back for the, just the everyday decor decorations. I'm going to jump off here and get back to work, but I just wanted to let you know what our plans are. We're going to the beach next week, and you'll see that in next Tuesdays. Not this coming Tuesday, but a week later. You'll see that video of us spending some time at Gulf Shores.